Death, in essence, is the separation of the soul from the body. It occurs when the soul leaves the body. The body dies, remains in this material world, and decomposes, while the soul moves on to the next stage of its existence. Therefore, death is not the absence of life. Rather, just like life, death is something which is created and is itself a stage of life. Allah, the Exalted, says in the Quran,
"Blessed be he who has created death and life, so that he might test you which of you is most righteous in action."
Death is a continuation of the life of the soul, a transition from one abode, this temporary world, to an eternal life. Imam Hassan said,
"Death is the greatest happiness that comes to the believers when they migrate from the house of misery to the eternal bliss. And it is the greatest disaster that befalls the unbelievers when they go from their paradise to the fire, which will never be extinguished and will never burn itself out."